morning kept me wide awake. Every drop against the sky brought back days I thought had slipped away. Summer storms when I was young, barefoot heart, nowhere to run. Every cuddle held a dream, I didn't know how much it meant to me. Cold rain slipping through my toes, tickled lash, nobody knows. In that moment I was free, rain was everything to me. I was dancing in the rain, laughing loud, forgetting pain, splashing memories again and again. Oh, I was dancing in the rain, soaked in joy, no fear, no shame, calling childhood by its name. If I could, I'd run back there, just dancing in the rain. Slippers on and nothing planned, hours slipping through my hands. Water rushing, heart so light, every storm felt warm inside. Mama's voice, you're soaked again, but I just laugh and spinning grand. Wet hair, clothes clinging tight, still the happiest kid alive. Every step a splash of sound, happiness all around. Even scolding couldn't change the magic falling down like rain. I was dancing in the rain, laughing, not forgetting pain, splashing memories again and again. Oh, I was dancing in the rain, soaked in joy, no fear, no shame, calling childhood by its name. If I could, I'd run back there, just dancing in the rain. Now the rain keeps falling still on quieter streets, on windowsills. I close my eyes, I hear that sound, and suddenly I'm 12.